First I use 1000 grit, and then I'll go to 2000 grit. And this is 1500 grit. I go over it, and then I'll probably go over it with 2000. And then after the 2000, I will polish it. Always put a little water on. Now I'm going to use 3000. Also should put water on it. Now I'm going to use toothpaste, Colgate toothpaste. That's about all it's good for. It's no good to brush your teeth with. And we've got to give this a good cleaning. And all these air tubes here, you got to make sure that they're not plugged up. I've taken a lot of these apart where these air tubes were plugged up in here. You got to take all this apart, and you take this off and you look in here and you blow all this out, and if there's some stuff plugged in here, you let this soak. I let it soak in vinegar for a while on the stove, and it softens all the stuff on the inside, and then I blow it out, or I'll take a wire and clean them all out. Now this one here was plugged. You could tell there was something wrong with it because there was black smoke all over the place. But yeah, that's what you got to do. You got to clean it. Got to clean everything. Here, this is the generator. I have not cleaned this yet. Look how black it is. That's probably a sign that this thing was trying to work without air. Take this all apart. Clean these things very gently. See, this one's not bad on the inside, but I haven't cleaned it yet. But I've got brushes in here. I put some brushes inside and clean this. I take the tip off. Make sure it's clean. Blow it out. Blow everything out. Clean this up with steel wool. Here's another example. Look at this this glass. Like I wiped it out a little bit. It was just filthy with smoke. That's probably because the air tubes were plugged and it didn't have enough air. But there I have all the parts cleaned up. ready to be all put back together.